ngithi wena mabakunika lezi zinto lezi mawuzivula awubafoli back ukuthi guys ngizomfaka enkingeni bese
ngimtshelile udamane ngathi mina bro yabona makuso mina ngisesibani ngeke ngikhona ulunge apheltanga kanje ibhizi naye bengimtshela izolo mfethu ngibhizi ayinto le awulinde because beka into yayizolo ngane mfethu nginamkhizi yabo ngimselela indajoshini no mina ngimtshelile ngathi ngimselela indajoshini
ene beka wona uyasebenza so lo ngimuntu lose your job
no ngimchazeli even nayo ukuthi lo ngitshela ngimchazeli futhi mina lento mawuthi nidinga ngane mina mfethu ngikhona ngisisibani ngimtshelile nayo ukuthi angakutshela nangakutshela angakutshela ngisho iyama mntana
Where's your car? Where's your vehicle?
I don't have a vehicle.
Where were you keeping this one?
I don't know when in Paris is from discussing.
Where's your bag?
Where's your car?
I don't know.
But how did you came here?
What did you like?
Is it?
Yeah. How did you came here?
How did you enter CSI?
Yeah.
Did you enter with the car? We need to see that car.
You want to see the vehicle that you were using? Don't behave as if you don't understand what you're using. You want to see your vehicle. You want to search the vehicle, please. Yeah, please tell the colleague to open the car. You want to search it.
What is this? I'm the MMC of
yeah, by visa.
What is this?
I think by visa.
Where do you work?
By visa,
administration schooling.
How do you get this?
Who
gave you those things? Who's doing this? Usebenza ngani yena undumisa?
I think usebenza kusha.
Usebenza kuphi?
Oh.
Yes. So, but where does he get these things?
Okay, supplier Pitori. Or like supplier Jube.
No, we know.
So
where do you come from?
Usebenza phi la?
Usebenza la esikoleni la
And uhlala kuphi?
ngihlala eNemafias.
Mafias. Do you know your address? If we take you there, then you can tell us, I'm staying here. No, don't call people at home. Don't call people at home. No, please, don't call that person. Yeah, you don't call that person. When I want your address.